Ladies, this one is specially made for you, so grab the health benefits of cloves to our bodies. Cloves helps to reduce menstrual pains in ladies, fertility, and supports reproductive health and reduces acne, scars, and gives
1, 2, 3.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Wellness Bite. Ladies, this one is specially made for you, so grab a seat as we explore to know more about the health benefits of cloves to our bodies. First and foremost, cloves helps to reduce menstrual pains in ladies. Cloves tea has a natural pain relieving property that helps to ease cramps in ladies. Also, cloves helps to boost fertility and support reproductive health in ladies. Cloves tea are traditionally believed to support fertility and also to improve reproductive wellness in ladies. Cloves helps to improve digestion and reduces bloating in the body. Cloves stimulates enzymes that helps to reduce gas and indigestion in the body. Cloves helps to enhance that natural and perfect skin glow that you are looking for. It helps to reduce acne, scars, and gives you that perfect skin glow when added to your oils or even induced in your facial masks. Moreover, cloves is a natural energy booster. It helps to reduce fatigue, reduces stress, and help keep your brain focused and sharp. Cloves helps to improve oral health. It helps to fight the bacteria, reduces gum pain, and overall it gives you that fresh breath all day long. Moreover, cloves help to support bones and joints and help them to function well and protect them from all kinds of diseases. It also helps to keep them functioning at its maximum best peak. Now, to utilize cloves, so all these benefits that I've talked about, mix cloves powder with warm water or even with honey. Also, you can use cloves oil for all kinds of oral problems and skin problems that you are battling with. Now, don't overuse cloves. 2 to 3 cloves per day is enough. Remember, too much of cloves can irritate the stomach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more health and wellness tips like this. Bye!